The future of agriculture has arrived. At S.A.U, we aim to redefine crop nutrition and biostimulation, making agriculture more efficient, sustainable, and profitable. Our NOBA innovation and technology platform has thoroughly analyzed the application of our solutions using cutting-edge drone technology. Thanks to Agriculture 4.0, the precise application of our biostimulants and nutrient products via drones ensures targeted treatment, reducing waste, and optimizing plant uptake. Our formulations are developed with the highest quality and are double microfiltered, making them ideal for small emitters on drones, which prevents clogging. Drone application allows for a more concentrated application than traditional methods, ensuring equal or greater efficacy compared to traditional applications. In collaboration with scientific institutions like IRTA and experienced drone operators, we have proven the impact of our solutions through rigorous field testing in different crops, mainly in row crops. We go beyond application. We use aerial imagery and scientific data to analyze crop response, optimize growth, and maximize yield potential. Our NOBA team shares expertise, real-time information, and the best practices to help agricultural businesses using the latest advances in crop nutrition. In these field tests, the efficiency of drone applications with our products was demonstrated. The treatments are highly precise and concentrated, with the same effectiveness as traditional methods, but with the advantage of a lower environmental impact. This is not just about innovation, it's about shaping a greener, more resilient agricultural future. We strive to make precision agriculture more sustainable and environmentally friendly. From this experience, we've confirmed that our S.A.U product range is perfect for drone applications. The pH and conductivity of our solutions ensure high efficiency and reduced expenditures for a more profitable and resilient agricultural sector. At S.A.U, we believe in one agriculture, sustainable agriculture. Today, we are taking one step further in this journey to not only integrate product, but also to support more environmentally friendly application techniques. Join S.A.U to transform agriculture, precision, efficiency, and sustainability.